Morning guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the exciting video on the jet ski. We've got the GoPro, got the chest strap, we've got the life jacket, we're all rigged up, we're ready to go. We're going to head down to the ski club and finally do the test video on this jet ski. When we get back, we'll talk numbers. So many of you have reached out to me and we're going to be cleaning it up and getting it ready for its new owner. Let's get down there and get it tested. As soon as I get out a little bit. And then probably run up onto that pontoon, I should think. Just, well, don't run, don't hurt yourself. Go. I'll just let it warm up. playing all day, mate. I don't want to go to work now. Guys, absolutely incredible. Lovely bit of kit. I'm very, very confident now in selling it. We're going to head back to the yard. Me and Chris was talking about these stickers. We think that that's what actually makes it look so dated. But that is going to be down to the new owner, whether they want them on there or not. Because we're not actually going to touch it. We're going to head back. We're going to give this a nice wash. I'm going to calm my nerves. And we're going to get it up for sale. Right, we just got back to the head office, and that was brilliant. I said to Chris, no, we'll stay over here now for the rest of the day. I just did not want to come in. I know that we've got a good 30 quid's worth of petrol, and I just wanted to stay out there and use the lot. It is a good laugh, but really you do need two of you out, one of you making a wake so the other one can jump over it. But what a brilliant machine, and it really does perform brilliantly. So we're going to crack on now. I'm just going to quickly flip it over to time lapse. It's not going to be long. Me and Chris are going to get this plumbed up, flush it through, and then give it a nice wash, clean, and then we'll cut back in, do the numbers on it, and have a good walk around it. I won't drag this out too much more. I just wanted to literally have a quick walk around it now that we have give it a clean and just show how nice it has come up. There's still a couple of little marks there, but they will come off. It could do with a really good polish, but Chris has greased up that bearing. I've rubbed the wheel down, give it a bit of a paint. I went right over it with some hot soapy water. There is quite a bit of overspray on it, and when you give it a good rub, it does come off. So really, it could do with a nice hand polish. I think that would finish it off. I then went round with a bit of zinc spray and just tidied everything up that started to go rusty, like the jockey wheel, the winch there, and again, a little coat of paint on that wheel, and Chris done the bearing. But overall, lovely little ski. Really, really is going to do a family a nice little turn. Let's sit down and crack on with the numbers. Right, so the exciting part, the numbers. There is a little bit of a story with a jet ski, as there is with most things that you manage to buy that ain't come from an auction. Now, a friend of mine loves his toys, and he's got a lot of them. And he's got a couple of jet skis, and this one, he's never ever advertised it, so it's never really been for sale. So I started chatting to him. He actually rang me a few weeks ago and said, Rob, I've got quite a few bits here that I'm having a good sort out. And he used to have a massive company. So he had a lot of plant, trailers, machinery, and various other bits and bobs. So he reached out to me and said, pop round when you get 5 minutes. I don't know if you're interested in buying the job lot off me, or we could work out some sort of deal. But going back in the past, I actually sold 2 cars for him. So I used to advertise quite a lot of stuff on eBay, and he asked me to do it, and I've done it. So I went round there, and he said, I'll see the jet ski at about 2.5 grand. He said, because of the hours on it, it's so lovely, I believe it's worth every penny of that. All of the bits all together come to 7,500 quid, what he wanted to sell. So I said, can you leave it with me for a couple of days and I took loads of pictures, and like I've said in previous videos, I do a lot of dealing in the trade, to and from the trade. I mean, we've recently met another one of you subscribers who has actually bought the little Berlingo van off of us, the Peugeot partner van, and he is coming again tomorrow to buy a car off of me. So you get to meet people throughout your life and you know sort of where to place things and people to call. So I actually sold all of these bits off to other people without parting with a penny, and that jet ski owes us £1,100. That's what it worked out, what we had to part with at the end of it. So we've got it for less than half price. I'm not really interested in people that say you ask too much money for it, you're asking too much profit. We're asking £2.5 grand for it, and I think that we're entitled to that £1,400 profit. It'll be £700 minus the tax each for me and Chris, and that is a good bit of money, nice bit of profit for not loads and loads of work, and that don't come round a lot, and that come round and we're really happy with it. So I'm not going to waffle on anymore. Quite a lot of you have reached out to me on Instagram, 2 in particular. I have straight away said that I will give them first shout. So this evening they will be getting first offer. If they don't buy it, then of course I will put the pictures up on Instagram and I will advertise it on there. So that is going to be the end of today's video. I want to thank each and every one of you for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Check out the merchandise, the link is in the description, and of course Instagram for the little sneak peeks. It's Salvage Rebuilds. Like, subscribe, share on all your social networking sites, and we'll see you very soon in the next one.